fresh row that has broken out in Karnataka, with the top minister claiming that the 18th century AD Mysore ruler Tipu Sultan laid the foundation for the crucial KRS dam, and this is a dam that is built across the state's Mandya district. The statement of the Mysuru district in charge minister Mahadevappa has triggered a sharp reaction in political circles, and of course it's the BJP dismissing that very claim. Listen in.
ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಂಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಡಿಗಲ್ಲು ಹಾಕಿರೋದೇ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಅವರು. ಧೈರ್ಯನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಸೀದಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲವೋ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಗಂಟೆನೂ ಹೊಡಿತದೆ. ಎರಡೂ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಎರಡೂ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನು? ದೇವದಾಸಿ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯನ್ನು ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ತಂದಿದ್ರು. ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ನ ತಂದವರೇ ಅವರು. ರಣರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಸೇನಾನಿ.
ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಸ್ಯಾಸ್ಪದ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಅಥವಾ ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವಂತೂ ಗಮನಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸಹಿತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಂಬಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಿಂದ ಅಂತ್ಯವರೆಗೂ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಂಥ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ತಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಕೀಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ತಜ್ಞರಿಗೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಸರಿಯಾದಂಥ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸಹಿತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾರು ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಕೀಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾದಂಥ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Well, Deepak, my colleague, joining us to get us the very latest. Deepak, of course, Mahadevappa has gone on to say those who don't know history cannot create history. Take us to the claims being made by him.
This is going to spark off yet another controversial debate in the state of Karnataka. Tipu Sultan, the name itself, whenever it is taken by any of the political leaders in the state, has drawn a lot of criticism in various ways, or rather has created some controversy or the other. This time it's a minister from the ruling Congress government, Mr. Mahadevappa, who was heard heaping praises on Tipu Sultan during an event yesterday in Srirangapatna, where he gives him the credit for the KRS dam. There is also, his statements where he says that, he didn't differentiate between religions. He allowed for a temple and a mosque in the same area. He also says that the Devadasi practice was also abolished by him, land reforms were bought by him, and he's a freedom fighter, and then goes on to say that many shy away from mentioning these sort of facts, and these are part of history, is according to him the opinion. This has drawn some sharp criticism already from the BJP, which is saying that this is the appeasement mindset of the Congress party that is coming to the fore, speaking in praise of Tipu Sultan, who's massacred several people in Karnataka, destroyed temples, and this is who the Congress wants to really highlight, and speak in praise of, is the charge that's coming from the Congress. Apart from the BJP MP from Mysuru and the titular king as well, Mr. Yaduvir, who has said that this is far from the truth, this is history being distorted for the sake of their own political agendas, because he is of the opinion that Mr. Mahadevappa should really rely on history rather than just making these sort of statements which have no backing whatsoever.
Right, Tipu Sultan envisioned the dam and laid its foundation stone is the claim that is being made by Mahadevappa. Thank you so much, Deepak, for getting us the latest.